Hey everybody, I literally did not know what to actually call this video. So let's just say this is a platform introduction video. So this is a website or a dashboard I'm that intending to build. So it's going to be called SoccerAnalyticsHub. This is a website that I kind of, built in 30 to 40 minutes by prompting. I think it's on Lovable or Bold.new. I'm not sure. I've been using that for quite a bit now. So something I've built over in half an hour maybe. And this is kind of the landing page. And so the idea of this dashboard is to kind of, hey, let's say you work with soccer data, football data, very kind of on a daily basis. You're a data scientist or a coach or kind of a you work in close proximity to data, specifically to soccer. And the idea is like, hey, I find this very cool kind of inference or outcome interesting. I'm going to just build that out and just put it on the platform, right? For example, maybe after a match has ended, let's say we want to see the heat map of a player or like some feature like that. I literally do not have a specific idea or direction to what to build. So yeah, so like this is kind of a introduction video about the platform, and the idea is I'll be kind of documenting my journey over building this, and like every time a new feature's out, like, hey, this is a really cool feature that I just built. Let me know what you think. Like, if you're a soccer analyst, right, if you're watching, like, hey, this is kind of shitty, right, or maybe this is kind of really cool. And the one thing I'd love love you guys to do is, hey, I'm a soccer analyst, right? I'd love to see this feature, right? And the way you can just do it is like, I'm gonna put my email in the description of this video. Email me, hey, I kind of want this feature, right? Or I use this feature, or I kind of build this manually today. If this is kind of automated, and like, let's say, post a match, there's some analysis that automatically generates on based on a model, based on ML model, or using some kind of statistical data. let's if it's possible, we could always kind of do it, correct? And so I'll be documenting my journey almost every now and then, like once I've done with the feature, once the dashboard is up and running. um I'll be updating you guys as well. So that's all for this video. So if you have any ideas, kind of, hey, this is a feature that I kind of like to see, let me know. So this is kind of like, hey, this is all dummy data literally. So if you feel like I have no idea if actually these APIs exist, but like, hey, it's just GPD, like it's just GPD, you got to believe in GPD. So yeah, so that's all for this video. And yeah, and let me know if you have any actual recommendations or kind of features you'd love to see on this platform. Thank you for watching.